This is the only candle I trade every day, and it's the reason why I've made over $10,000 a month as a day trader. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how I use this candle to target trends and gain massive profits. The candle that I use to trade is the one with the long wick and a short body, so a shooting star for bearish and a hammer for bullish. If I see higher highs and higher lows being formed in the market, I use a hammer to determine if the market is still trending to the upside. And if I see lower highs and lower lows being formed in the market, I can use a shooting star to determine if the bearish trend is still active. Now, the easiest way to do all of this is just simply use an 8-length exponential moving average, or AEMA for short. Let's use this for an example. We have higher highs and higher lows being formed over this AEMA, which signals a strong bullish trend. And if we take a look right here, we had a nice handle camera close, which signaled that strong bullish trend. We had a rejection off the AEMA to close back to the upside, and using that, I would have been able to get into an entry to the bullish side and take profits. So how exactly will we get into a trade using this? Let's take a look at another example. We have lower highs and lower lows being formed under this 8-EMA, which signals a strong bearish trend. Price is located right here, and since we're in a bearish trend, we're looking for a shooting star to reject off of the 8-EMA and close under. And 3 candles later, we got a nice rejection close right here. Price rejected off the 8-EMA, closed under, and then closed with a short body with a long wick. And that signals that we finally can get into a bearish trade. And now, since we got our confirmation, all we're gonna do is just enter with a nice 1 to 2 risk to reward, and we're just gonna let the trade play out. And as we can see, price continued to this downside in respect to the 8-EMA, and we ended up taking profits. I made a free PDF showing you exactly which high probability setups I take whenever I trade. If you want a copy, just go ahead and click the link in my bio and you can claim it there.